Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be doing some unboxing. I want to bring you guys along to share this experience with you. Me personally, I'm very excited. I also have a product discount code that I'm going to be able to share with you guys. So some very cool and exciting stuff. I was chosen as a Q1 2022 Grambassador for the Rag Company. So for this first quarter, I'm a Grambassador for the Rag Company. If you're unfamiliar with the Rag Company, they sell the most premium microfibers that you can get. And over the years, I've been falling in love with their microfibers. They are really great microfiber towels. The pricing on them is really good as well. You just cannot beat them. And then they also sell detailing products, chemicals, tools, accessories, anything that you might need for your detailing needs. So with that being said, and me being a Q1 Grambassador with them, if you use code MeanBee15, that will save you 15% off your order. So feel free to use that code. That code is going to be active for the full year of 2022. So definitely take advantage of it. If you haven't ordered anything from them, head over there, pick some stuff up. You're going to love their microfibers. I promise you that because I absolutely love them. You cannot beat them, as I mentioned. And also, if you need any kind of tools, products, chemicals, whatever it is, you can save 15%. Even if you have ordered from them, feel free to use this code because it is for me to share with you guys to help you out with saving a little bit of money. Along with being the Q1 2022 Grambassador for the Rag Company, they sent me out 2 huge boxes of products. I want to share my experience unboxing these products so you can share the excitement with me to see what they have to offer. And maybe there'll be some stuff that will interest you. And then you can head on over and, as I mentioned, use code MeanBee15 and save 15% off your order. Also, I just want to give a huge shout out to the Rag Company for picking me as a Grambassador. It means the world to me. I am very honored to be working with you guys. Super excited. Awesome group of people over there. Thank you guys so much. All right, so as I mentioned, these are the 2 large boxes that I received from the Rag Company. So we'll open up this first one here. It's a little bit smaller. We'll see what's in here. We'll move to this next bigger one. One thing I want to mention as well is I'm going to be able to do some really cool giveaways and things like that for you guys. So you're definitely going to stay tuned for any of the giveaways that I'm going to be doing. Definitely follow me on my Instagram, which is mean_B392, because I will have it on my Instagram as well. So you're going to want to head over there and follow me on that platform so you don't miss out on any of this. So we're getting into this first box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this other one out of the way so we have enough room to see what's in this first one. So here is the first box, as you can see, packed full of goodies. Super, super excited for this. So right here we have a Rag Company t-shirt, a large detail brush, little care package with some stickers, a little lens cleaner is what I like to use. You can use it for your sunglasses or glasses. I like to use it for the lens. That way I can keep the lens clean enough for you guys for some content. And then we also have a Rag Company premium microfiber banner. Super cool. Definitely going on the garage wall. Got the Ultra Clay bar. Vinyl and leather brush. And with the packing that you can see there, that is one thing the Rag Company does an extremely good job with their packing. We have some P&S Dream Maker, some Kosh Chemi Magic Wheel Cleaner, some G-Technic C2 Liquid Crystal. We have some P&S Express Interior Cleaner, an awesome IK multi-trigger sprayer, some P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo. That is also another product that I have not used. I've been curious about, so really cool. And then getting in here, we have a big old package of some microfibers, another package packed full of some microfibers, a Cyclone wash mitt, something that I've been wanting to get my hands on, but I have not been able to yet. A Liquidator 25 by 36 drying towel. And for box number 1, that is going to be it for it. So let's go ahead and get the next box up here and see what's in it. All right, here we go. So for box number 2, We'll get cracked into this thing, see what's in here. So as you can see here, this is going to be a box packed full, and I am meaning full, of microfibers. Very awesome, really cool. You cannot beat their microfibers. Super grateful that the Rad Company has selected me and sent me out these care packages. So excited. So we have a huge pack of green microfibers. Another one of black. Another package of blue ones. And another package of red ones. And then last but not least, a package of yellow ones. Alright, so as you can see here, an absolutely massive, huge haul from the Rad Company that they've sent me over for their care package. Very excited for all of this. There is some products here that I have not had the chance or the opportunity to use. So if some of these products are something you'd like to see in a review video, remember, always drop that in the comment section down below. Anything that you'd like to see, any requests, recommendations, anything you'd like to see on the channel, drop that in the comments below. I read all the comments. I try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. And I like making content that is content that you want to see. So whether it's to do with washing some microfiber towels, my method, what I like to do, or reviewing some of these products, or some of these tools, definitely let me know. But huge shout out to the Rad Company. Thank you guys so much for selecting me as a Grambassador for Q1 of 2022. It means the world to me. This care package also is super awesome. Some of you may be wondering what exactly all this stuff is, so I will go over the list that I got from them to show you guys what the stuff is that I got if you're curious about any of these microfiber towels. So with these 5 packages here, these are a 25 count in each package. These are what they call their car wash towel. It is a 320 GSM 16 by 27 inch microfiber. So basically this towel right here is going to be a all-purpose. You can use it for literally anything you want to. If you want to use it in some soapy water to wash your car, if you want to wipe out your door jambs, if you want to buff off some waxes, if you want to apply some Dream Maker or some Bead Maker, literally these towels right here you can use for anything that you would like to use these towels for. You can pick these towels up in multiple colors, and as I mentioned, a very reasonable price. The next one here is the Liquidator. It's a 25 inch by 36 inch. The Rad Company offers these in 3 different sizes. So you can get a 16 by 16, a 20 by 24, or a 25 by 36, which this one is. This one is a twisted loop drying towel that is at 1100 GSM. So it's going to give you that nice, satisfying weight, and then also the floppiness in the towel. Very thirsty towel. Amazing towel for drying off your car after washing it. So the next towels we got lined up here, starting on the left, the red ones, as you can see, those are an Eagle Edgeless 500. You can get these in a 16 by 16 or a 16 by 24. Multiple different colors available with these. If you are looking for a nice, thick, fluffy, just amazing filling microfiber, Eagle Edgeless are definitely the way to go. They're going to be very thick, very fluffy, amazing, right at 500 GSMs. You will not be disappointed with those towels at all. Moving on to the next one, which is the pink one in the center. That one there is a premium FTW. They come in just a 16 by 16 in an assortment of color options as well. This towel is going to be a very, very super soft. It has a nice suede border around it. It's going to be a perfect towel for cleaning your glass, chrome, trim, anything like that you're polishing. So just a very nice soft plush towel with a really soft suede edge that is sewed around the border of it. Moving on to the next, the purple one. That is an edgeless pearl. Right now you can get them in a couple different colors. They come in a 16 by 16, which is the only size that they come in. So the microfiber on this towel is very unique in construction. It's like little pearls that is on there, making this towel one of the best, if not the best towel for removing and leveling ceramic coatings when you're putting that on. Doesn't matter if you're doing paint, windshield, whatever the ceramic coating you're putting on. But this towel, when you're working with a ceramic coating, this towel personally for me is a must because of the construction. That pearl construction on it makes leveling the coatings just an absolute breeze. Works very effectively, and you just cannot go wrong with that at all. So on the next lineup on the left there, that is the Cyclone Ultra Wash Mitt. You can also get these in a few different colors. This is something I've been wanting to get my hands on. As I mentioned, I do not own a Cyclone Wash Mitt, and I've been wanting to get one. I hear everyone rave about them. I see really good things about them. So the way that they're designed is to release the dirts and stuff out of it easier than most traditional wash mitts with the way the microfiber is on it. So you're not inducing or harming any kind of marring on your paint when you're coming in for that contact wash. The Cyclone Ultra Wash Mitt comes in one size, which is an 8x9. Moving on to the next, that is the Creature Edgeless. They come in a 16x16, multiple different color choices. I really like those ones. That is what is called their ice gray. But that towel is going to be in a 420 GSM. This is one of my favorite towels that I use a lot, that I have some of. I just absolutely love these things. But these ones are great for rinseless or waterless washing is what I like to use them a lot for. Also, I have used them for kind of removal of any kind of detail sprays or sealants or spray waxes. You just can't go wrong with these. I've had some questions in my videos before. What microfibers are you using? The Creature Edgeless is one of them that I use almost all the time, so having more I'm super stoked for. Moving on to the next, that is the Diamond Weave Glass and Window Towel. You can get this in a 16x16 or a 16x24. There is a couple different color options available for this. It is a very unique diamond shape. I'm going to grab this just to show. So as you can see right there, it is a very unique diamond weave that is in this microfiber towel. This microfiber towel right here, I've been in a search for a great glass towel. I picked up a couple of these. I ended up buying a couple more because of how well that diamond weave glass towel will work on glass. You can also use that diamond weave glass towel on anything like jewelry, or you could even use it on chrome, metals like that, something that you're trying to basically just get to a nice high gloss shine. But for glass, that is by far my favorite so far. Next to it, with the Rag Company logo, that is a fender defender. That just lays over your fender, so if you have the hood open and you're leaning over the fender of your car, you're going to protect your paint. You're not going to scratch it with the button on your pants, a belt buckle, anything like that. So it is going to keep you from coming in contact with the paint on your car while working in your engine bay. So those are very handy, something that I am going to use and I'm going to enjoy using while working on my Chevelle. So last but not least, you guys saw them. I just want to throw them back out here to show you. We've got through all the microfibers. So back here, starting from the left, going to the right, starting with the chemicals, working our way forward, we have P&S Pearl Auto Shampoo, P&S Express Interior Cleaner, P&S Dream Maker. I have used that. I have shot a video on it. That stuff is some really good stuff. It leaves such a high gloss and shine to the paint. If you have not seen that video, head back into my videos and check out the video on the P&S Dream Maker, because that stuff does not disappoint. Moving on next to it is the G-Technic C2 Liquid Crystal. That is a spray sealant. I have not used that product. Very curious and interested. Can't wait to try it out. Moving on next to it, that is the Kosh Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. I have used that product. Fantastic wheel cleaner. One of the best wheel cleaners that I've used. I also have a video reviewing that on the channel. If you'd like to see that, head back into my videos and check out the review video on the Kosh Chemie Magic Wheel Cleaner. Moving on from the Kosh Chemie, we have an IK trigger sprayer. Those bottles are fantastic. Absolutely love them. If you've been around on the channel, you know that I love those IK bottles. If you've not been around, this is your first time stopping in, those IK bottles are my personal favorite. I have quite the collection of them because I love using them with all kinds of products, having them ready to go. Going back over to the left, that is a Detail Factory long blue fine brush. I have one Detail Factory brush. I really like it, so being able to add another to the collection, super stoked for. Then I got a t-shirt right in the middle there from the Rag Company. Super stoked to be wearing it and representing the Rag Company. Moving to the right is a little package with some stickers and some little, I'm going to call them suede. I'm probably wrong, but I like using them to keep the lens clean on my camera. But they work perfect if you want to use them on the screen of your phone, lens of your camera, glasses, sunglasses, anything like that. They work extremely well for. Moving up front to the left, that is the Ultra Clay Bar. I have not used their Ultra Clay Bar. I already have things that I'm lining out in my mind that I want to use this stuff on. So really curious to try out the Ultra Clay Bar, see how well it works. And then last but not least, as you can see on the right there, that is their new leather and vinyl interior scrub brush. And when I say new, they've had the scrub brush. That scrub brush is not new. What is new about it is the color. They now offer it in blue, so you can get it either in yellow that they've had for a long time, or you can now get it in that blue color, and personally, I really like that blue color a lot. I'm going to pan the camera a little bit for you guys because I can't leave out the awesome banner that they got me. right there, the Rad Company Premium Microfiber. As I mentioned, I just hung it up there for right now for video purposes, but that is definitely going to be going on the wall in the garage. All right, so there's everything that the Rad Company has sent me in my care package. Once again, I have to give the Rad Company a shout out. Thank you guys so much for letting me have this opportunity to be a Grambassador. Super appreciative of it, and I'm super happy to share my love for the Rad Company's microfibers along with all of you guys that tune into my videos and watch them. So very stoked about that. But I want to thank all of you for stopping in and checking out this video. If you made it through all the way to this point, if there's any of these products that you saw, whether it's a microfiber, a process using a microfiber, whether it's washing it or what to use it for, or my results that I get, so on and so forth, or any of the detailing chemicals or tools, definitely drop that in the comments below if that's something you want to see. Let me know what it is that you're looking for in a video, if you're enjoying the videos. But definitely drop that down in the comments below of something that you want to see, if there is something out of all these products that you want to see, because I'd be more than glad to make that video to try to help you guys, because there's so much stuff in the detailing world, it kind of gets confusing at times. But all of this stuff is extremely quality products that I'm super excited to use. That's why I say if you want to see a video, definitely drop that in the comments below. Also, remember to use code MeanBee15 to save 15% off of your order at the Rad Company. It's just your complete order. You save 15% on that. What more can you ask for there? So it makes me super excited and happy to be able to offer you a discount code to use at a place that I love to get my detailing products from. Use that code to save yourself 15% off your order. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day. It means the world to me. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload, and smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Drop a comment down below, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.